So I just ran into a weight loss ad pushing a secret gelatin trick that's supposedly better than Ozempic. The catch? 2 clicks later, it's selling you Lipo Less, and it leans on Dr. Jennifer Ashton's name to sound legitimate, and it instantly reminded me of that pink salt trick we covered before, the one that tried to borrow Oprah's name. Same playbook, new props, so let's click. It lands on naturecurepath.com, dressed up like a health article. Big red, health banner. The page lists Dr. Jennifer Ashton as the author with an updated timestamp. Real doctor, real journalist. So if this were legit, it should be easy to verify. Spoiler, it isn't. The headline is pure clickbait. Better than Ozempic. Celebrity gelatin trick. Drop 24 pounds. No side effects. And the page is basically just a giant embedded video. Right under the video, media logos, NYT, CBS, ABC, FOX, CNN. No links, nothing to click, just there to make you relax. Then a Facebook-style comments wall that you can't actually interact with. No profiles, no likes, just perfectly timed praise like, "Congrats, Dr. Ashton." Sure, now the video. It's long and it uses a simple trick. The progress bar moves fast at first, like the reveal is coming. Then it slows to a crawl and you're stuck in dramatic storytelling. If you've ever wondered how they keep people watching, that's how. Inside, they borrow the Ozempic/Mounjaro conversation with medical-sounding talk, GLP-1, GIP, bariatric gelatin, and then pile on huge promises. Fat loss without injections, workouts, or strict dieting. They throw out miracle numbers like 16 pounds in 10 days and 54 pounds in 3 months, plus real people stories that are a little too perfect. But if you sit through it, the simple homemade gelatin trick never gets clearly handed to you. Instead, a hidden section appears and the answer becomes LipoLess. You get a Find Your Ideal LipoLess Formula quiz, basic questions like age, and no matter what you pick, you get the same result and the same sales push. Limited time deal, bottles remaining, and bundles like buy 3 get 3 180-day supply, $49 per bottle, save $294. They also plaster the page with trust badges, GMP, FDA approved, and the usual official looking seals, right before the fine print quietly walks everything back. They even add scientific references, but it's just general studies, not proof that LipoLess itself does what the video claims. And the disclaimer does the real talking, not evaluated by the FDA, not intended to diagnose or treat disease, content provided as is. Translation: the hype is loud, the legal disclaimer is the truth. Then the checkout, it's hosted on mycartpanda.com. It says you won't find it on Amazon or Walmart, flashes more badges, adds a countdown timer, and claims a 9.4 excellent rating with 32,624 reviews. Reviews where, outside their pages, it gets quiet fast. On Trustpilot, Lipo Less shows 0 reviews, so those 32,624 reviews appear to exist in the same place as the secret gelatin trick in the story. And the Dr. Jennifer Ashton angle, she's posted from her verified Instagram warning about AI-generated ads using her name and image to sell bogus weight loss products, and she says she doesn't endorse over-the-counter weight loss pills. So here's the bottom line. The gelatin trick doesn't actually exist. Dr. Jennifer Ashton has nothing to do with this. The video never shows you any real fast weight loss method, and there's 0 proof that Lipo Less does what they promise. The whole reveal is just surprise. Buy Lipo Less. That's the punchline. Stay sharp. Don't get pulled in by miracle claims. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.